Hello my dear friends, welcome to my new video. As per your demand, I am going to upload solutions of chapter number 7. Chapter number 7 means how to integrate by using trapezoidal rule and Simpson's rule. So first of all, I want to tell you by using trapezoidal rule. What is trapezoidal method? The rule for trapezoidal method is definite integral from the limit a to b fx dx is h by 2 and in the bracket y0, or you can say that for y0 plus yn. Yn means this, yn means last value. This is called last value of y, plus 2y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus so on plus yn minus 1 means before this value. This is called yn minus 1, where this h is equal to b minus a divided by n. N means equal parts between the limit a and b. As per my explanation, if n is given, then you have to do accordingly. But if n is not given, then you can use as I explain, but you can use as n is equal to 6, 8, 10, whatever. But if you use n is equal to 8, the value of the integration by using the method will give you some more accurate value. But it's up to you. Because of if you want to reduce your work, you can use n is equal to 6, n is equal to 8, 10, whatever. So I'm going to pick one example from the exercise 7.1. Evaluate using trapezoidal method 0 to 1, definite integral from 0 to 1 sine pi x dx. Remember that one, this pi, if it is written as pi, then you have to use your calculator. Fix your calculator in terms of radian. Pi means fix your calculator in terms of radian. This is very important for you because of generally friends doing mistake here. Do not fix your calculator in terms of degree. You have to fix in your calculator in terms of radian. Now I'm going to calculate according to our needs. What I need here a, b, h. So according to that I'm going to write here. N is not given here, so we can use 6, 8, 10, whatever. But I am taking here n is equal to 8. When I am taking here n is equal to 8, then we can write quickly a. A means this limit which is called lower. A is equal to 0. Upper limit, that means b is equal to 1. So therefore h is equal to b minus a divided by n. That means h is equal to b means 1 minus 0 divided by 8. When you divide it, it is coming as 0.125. Now according to that, because of I need these values y0, yn, y1, y2, y3, so you have to make a table like that one. What is that means? That means make a table like x and y and start from the lower limit. Lower limit is here 0. So put here x is equal to 0. When you put x is equal to 0, what is the value of sine this? Sine pi x. X is equal to 0. So sine pi 0. Sine pi means sine 0. Sine 0 means 0. When you now next value 0 plus this. 0 plus h. 0 plus h. H means 0.125. So 0 plus 0.125 is this one. Now x is equal to this one. When you put x is equal to 0.125, what is the value of y? Value of y means this fx. That means this one. Here substitute. So sine pi x means 0.125. When you calculate by using fixing your calculator in terms of radian, is it coming like that one? Again, you have to add this plus 125. 0.125 plus 0.125 is 0.25. Again, you have to put 0.25 here. When you substitute 0.25 here in terms of radian, it will give us like that one. Again, you have to use 0.25 plus 0.125. It comes like that, means 0.375. Now add x is equal to 0.375. Replace here. Sine pi x means here now 0.375. Fix your calculator in terms of radian. It gives you 0.9238. Again, you have to add 0.375 plus h. When you add this one, it comes 0.5. And at x is equal to 0.5, substitute here. Sine pi 0.5 gives you 1. And again add 0.5 plus 0.125. It is coming 0.625. At the value of 0.625, you have to calculate what is the value of y. It is coming this one. And again you have to add 0.625 plus 0.125. So it is coming 0.75. At the value of x is equal to 0.75, this sine pi 0.75. When you fix, it is coming 0.7071. Again you have to add this value plus h. So 0.75 plus h means 0.125. It is coming 0.875. At x is equal to 0.875 here. Sine pi x means 0.875. Fix your calculator in terms of radian. It is coming this one. And when x is equal to add this one, it is coming 1. And at x is equal to this, sine pi means 0. So this is called y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7, y8. Now use the rule. By using rule, 0 to 1 sine pi x dx is h by 2 y0 plus yn plus 2 times of y1 this. Now h this one and substitute y0 0 and yn, that means y final value 0 plus 2 times of this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this. When I substitute these value and calculated by calculator, it is coming 0.625. This is the answer of that question by using trapezoidal rule. Hopefully you people understand. The second question is from this one. Evaluate this integral by using trapezoidal rule, but here h is equal to given. So what we have to do? H is equal to 0.25, a is equal to this between, b is equal to 1. fx is x square divided by 1 plus this. Now you have to make the table. X is equal to 0. Start from this one. When x is equal to 0, this is 0. When x is equal to c, 0 plus 0.25 is this one. Substitute this one, then fx, this fx gives you 0.0 is this one. Again 0.25 plus 0.25, 0.5. At x is equal to 0.5, calculate this value. It is coming this one. 0.5 plus 0.25, 0.75. Again you have to calculate at x is equal to 0.75, this fx. This gives you 0.3956. And finally 0.75 plus 0.25 is 1. That means no need to calculate next value. And at x is equal to 1, it is 0.5. Now finally you have to use this. This is y0, y1, y2, y3, y4. So the integration of that part is x square divided by 1 plus x cube dx is equal to h by 2 plus h by 2 into y naught plus y naught plus yn 2 times of this. Replace all value. H is 0.25 divided by this y naught, this value, plus yn, this final value, plus 2 times of remaining this value plus this value plus this value. When I calculated by using calculator, I got this. You can check by yourself also. So this is the second answer of that question by using trapezoidal method. Hopefully you people understand. The second one is rule is Simpson's rule. Simpson's rule means that one is some little bit different. A to b fx dx, this is same, but rule is changed. H by 3, y naught plus yn, this is same, but here plus 2 times of all even number, 2 times of all even number, y2, y4, y6, y8, plus 4 times of all odd number remaining of that one. This is called Simpson's rule. So how we can, so I am picking one question from the handout. Evaluate this one by using Simpson's rule. 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So again we need to calculate. See that one here. H is not given. N is also not given. So it's up to you. You can take n is equal to, but here Simpson's rule means you have to take always even number. That means n is equal to 6, n is equal to 8, n is equal to 10. Do not take n is equal to 7 because of in Simpson's rule always we have to take even number. N should be even number always. So what we have to do? here a is equal to 0, b is equal to 2, h, therefore h is equal to b minus a divided by n, b 2 minus 0 divided by, I am taking n is equal to 8. You can take n is equal to 6. You can take n is equal to 4. You can take n is equal to 10. It's up to you. But do not take odd number for while trying to use Simpson's rule. So when I try to use that one, 2 divided by 8 is 0.25. You can calculate by yourself also. Now make a table x and y. X is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, what is the value of fx? Fx is this one. So calculate it. When x is equal to 0, 1 divided by 1 plus 0, so that means 1. 0 plus h, this is h. 0 plus h, use that one, so it is 0.25. At x is equal to 0.25, what is the value of fx is here what? Fx is equal to y is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So now when you substitute here, x is equal to 0.25 here, I got 0.9411. You can calculate by using yourself also. Now again 0.25 plus h. 0.25 plus 0.25 is 0.5. Now at x is equal to 0.5, what is the value of y? So I calculated it is 0.8. Now again 0.5 plus h. 0.5 plus h means 0.25. It is 0.75. At x is equal to 0.75, what is the value of y? So 0.75, I calculated 0.65. Now again 0.75 plus h, 1. At x is equal to 1, what is the value of y? Again 1 plus h, 0.25, so 1.25. At x is equal to this, what is the value of y? Calculate it, I got this one. Again 1.25 plus this, 1.5. At x is equal to 1.5, what is the value of y? It is this one. And again 1.5 plus 0.25, 1.75. At x is equal to 1.75, what is the value of y? This one. And again you have to add 1.75 plus 0.25. When you calculate it, it is coming 2. So see that one, finally you got final limit, that means upper limit 2. And then you no need to do again. So at x is equal to 2, what is the value of this one? So now this is y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7, y8. Now according to that you have to use h by 3, y0, this one, y0, this one, and yn, this is yn, 1 plus this one, plus 2 times of all even number. So even number is this one, even number is this one, even number is this one, add this one, plus 4 times of all odd number, y1, y3, y5 and y7. Substitute here and calculate. When I calculate by using my calculator, it is coming as this one. So this is the answer of this question by using Simpson's rule. Hopefully you people understand. Now another question which is given in my handout, that by dividing the range into 8 equal parts, write the tabular form of this. Correct your answer up to 4 decimal places. Maybe this type of, maybe it is written as 4 decimal, 2 decimal. So it's up to you. But if it is not given, then at least you have to write until 3 decimal places. So now I am going to check all values. A is equal to here what? 0. B is equal to 8. H is equal to B minus A divided by N. N is equal to here given 8. So 8 minus 0 divided by 8 is 1. And n is equal to here given. So now according to that table, make a table. So x is equal to 0. Again, what is fx? So fx means here y. So just again I am telling that one here. Fx means fx is equal to y is equal to 1 divided by 3x plus 2. Now check that one. When you calculate at x is equal to 0, see that one, y is equal to what? Y is equal to, see that one here, 0.15. And again 0 plus h, h means 1. At x is equal to 1, what is the value of y? 0.25. 1 plus h means 2. At x is equal to 2, what is the value of y? 2 plus h, 3. At x is equal to 3, what is the value of y? This one. 3 plus h 4. At x is equal to 4, what is the value of y? I mean fx, this one. Similarly, you have to do like that one. Then I got this result: y0, y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7, y8. Now use the Simpson's rule and then calculate accordingly. So the integration of that one by Simpson's rule is h by 3, h is equal to 1 here, and y naught, that means first value and last value, y naught plus yn, plus 2 times of even number. Even number is this one and this one, plus 4 times of odd number. This is odd number, this is odd number, this is odd number, and this is odd number. I have to write. When I calculated by using my calculator, I got this type of result. Hopefully you people understand about chapter number 4. Thank you very much, my dear friend.